Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the gender swap feature on CapCut PC. Now this is only available for photos, like it only works for photos I guess. But to use the effect, you're just going to grab a photo, go to AI Stylize and turn on the style. Then you're going to select face swap and you're going to select either ID. Actually, you're going to use the gender swap one and you're going to select that. And I think it only works. Oh, well, I think it's the other way around. It's this one instead for the man. Right, yeah, that's the gender swap, and that's how you can apply the effect on top of it. It's only like these two, by the way. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.